In a world of superfoods and trending diets, one humble contender has consistently proven its worth: the almond. Often overshadowed by flashier options, this unassuming nut deserves its time in the spotlight. Move over kale and quinoa. Here are 9 reasons why incorporating almonds into your daily routine could be a game changer for your health and well-being. 1. Brain food. Almonds are like rocket fuel for your brain. Packed with vitamin E, antioxidants, and healthy fats, these nutty powerhouses can help boost cognitive function and protect against cognitive decline. From acing that exam to outshining in the office, almonds are your ultimate brain-boosting companions. 2. Stress busters in a shell. Life stressors got you down? Almonds contain magnesium, a natural stress reliever that helps relax muscles and calm nerves. Snack on them to keep stress at bay and maintain your cool, no matter what chaos life throws your way. 3. Weight management. Forget those expensive weight loss fads. Almonds are a dieter's dream. The combination of fiber, healthy fats, and protein keeps you feeling full and satisfied, curbing those unwanted cravings and helping you shed those extra pounds more sustainably. 4. Teeth. Who needs a Hollywood smile when you have almonds? These nuts are a surprising source of phosphorus, a mineral that works wonders for strong teeth and bones. Munch on them to not only boost your oral health but also save on dental bills. 5. Sleep. The real sleep aid? Move over, sleep medications. Almonds pack a punch of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. A handful of these before bed can pave the way for a restful night's sleep, without the grogginess associated with pills. 6. Gut healths. Probiotics may be all the rage, but almonds deserve a spot on the gut health podium too. Their prebiotic fibers feed the good bacteria in your gut, helping maintain a healthy digestive system and supporting overall wellness. 7. Heart health. While you're out there jogging and watching your cholesterol, don't forget to munch on almonds. Their monounsaturated fats and antioxidants join forces to promote heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease and keeping your ticker in tip-top shape. 8. Antioxidant. Move aside, berries. Almonds are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, helping your body fight off harmful free radicals and oxidative stress. Incorporate them into your diet for an edible armor that safeguards your cells. 9. Healthy snack. In a world where sustainability is paramount, almonds come through as eco-friendly delights. They require significantly less water to produce compared to some other nuts, making them a planet-friendly snack that aligns with your green lifestyle. From boosting your brain power to nurturing your gut, almonds are the ultimate multitaskers of the nut world. So, the next time you're pondering a snack, reach for these tiny treasures and bask in the unique benefits they bring to the table. Your body and the planet will thank you.